What happens to your body when you go vegan? We've consulted the experts to find out what happens to your body when you enter a vegan diet. Welcome to the Fast Vegan. Let's dive in. 1. Weight loss. Switching to a vegan diet can lead to weight loss, as plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and fat. A study published in the journal Nutrition found that participants following a vegan diet experienced significant weight loss compared to those following other diets. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. 2. Improved heart health. A vegan diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. According to the American Heart Association, plant-based diets can reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Enhanced digestive health. Plant-based diets are high in fiber, which can improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that vegans have a healthier gut microbiome compared to non-vegans. 4. Lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Vegan diets can help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. According to the American Diabetes Association, plant-based diets can be an effective tool for diabetes prevention and management. 5. Improved kidney function. A vegan diet can help protect against kidney damage, as it is typically lower in animal proteins, which can be hard on the kidneys. The National Kidney Foundation states that plant-based diets can help slow the progression of kidney disease. 6. Stronger bones. A balanced vegan diet can provide all the essential nutrients for healthy bones, including calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. According to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, plant-based diets can help maintain bone health if properly planned. 7. Possible nutrient deficiencies. Vegans need to pay attention to their intake of certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are primarily found in animal products, so it's essential to consume fortified foods or supplements to prevent deficiencies. Remember to visit thefastveganbrand.com for more information on the impact of a vegan diet on your body and overall health.